Oh, ayan na yung ano.
Sino favorite Pons girl mo, Ryan? Catherine. Sexy back. One more time. Bow. Happy Hearts Day.
Ay, sasama ko.
She's ready.
Penisop.
And the Young Sisters!
Oo nga pala!
The power to make change beautiful is in our hands. Witness the best ever Palms.
Pwede ba sumingin? Wala namang camera. Usually, pass na to.
Oh!
Sabi ni Ate,
Congrats, Kat! The newest Pons girl!
thank you, Pons family mo, ma.
Bye! Lexine, fixing the gown. Okay.
Fix my gown, please.
Hi, Miss Denise. Intense. Ito na yun, guys. Ang gaganda. Pons girls. And Go Sisters. Plus Perry and Kim and Boo. Perry and Kim and Boo.
Sayang, nakakaway dito sa
Gaganda! Ang ganda-ganda. Ang gaganda.
Tatay parang marami.
Parang walang iba din eh. Parang wait, hawakan ko.
Welcome to the Palms Beauty Council. Her friend, Sophia, Joey, Tony. The power. Catherine Bernardo. With Palms, you can face your beautiful changes with beautiful skin.